Thank you for joining us today for this short presentation brought to you by USDA Mortgage Source. We are Florida and Georgia's leading USDA home loan provider, serving you 7 days a week. During this short video, we're going to talk a little bit about getting pre-approved for USDA financing, what home buyers can expect regarding the mortgage application and pre-approval process. This process can sometimes be pretty intimidating, especially for first-time home buyers, but we're here to assure you with a little bit of preparation in advance, you can go into the process knowing exactly what to expect. First and foremost, there's going to be certain documentation that will be required from the lender. Most importantly, items that are related to income and assets. Okay, so applicants are going to want to have their last two most recent W-2s or their last two most recent tax returns, 2 years of tax returns, if self-employed. Also, a copy of last two most recent pay stubs and a copy of the last two most months of bank statements, all pages front and back. Home applicants will also want to explain any deposits in their bank account over the past 2 months that are out of the ordinary. So just be prepared to explain any deposits that may have been outside of the normal frequency of payroll deposits and things of that nature. A copy of your ID or driver's license and social security card will be required. Don't worry, don't be nervous or concerned if you don't have your social security card or you're missing anything there. Lenders can help you oftentimes with those documentation, with the items that are listed there. The application process is generally a 15 to 30 minute process over the phone. The lender is going to go through really common information you know by heart. Most of it is going to be related to your last 2 years of living history, your last 2 years of employment history, phone numbers, address of previous employers, obviously date of birth, social, basic information regarding assets and income. You want to have together an approximate idea of your assets, checking account, savings account. Maybe you have a retirement account, a 401k or IRA. Have a good idea of really where your current balances are on your assets. And then, of course, your income. That will be something that will be asked first and foremost. Once the application is completed, the lender is going to go through and do a credit check, or they're going to do a credit authorization with you, and that will allow them to do the credit check that's needed to process the application. Once they have the credit check in place, at that point they'll have a good picture of credit score, of course, and then also the applicant's debts. After that's complete, they're going to do a final review. They'll call you back. We do generally process our applications within the same day. After 3 p.m., we generally do the following day. We'll call you back and go through, first and foremost, the pre-approval decision. We're going to let you know if you are pre-approved or not. And then we're going to talk about the terms, the amount of the pre-approval, how much house or how much purchasing power you have, as far as an amount, and then also what you can expect realistically for your housing expense. That's very important. You want to know realistically with your taxes, with your homeowner's insurance, with your mortgage insurance, and all those items what you can expect for housing expense, because a USDA mortgage, just like all other government home loans, will require homeowner's insurance and taxes to be escrowed or included each month into the homeowner's mortgage payment. Once that's complete, of course, the loan specialist will review any questions, any outstanding items that may be needed from the applicant, and then they'll issue a letter of pre-approval. And this is the letter of pre-approval will basically be a pre-approval letter showing to this home seller that you have been qualified and you are certainly approved to purchase the house. And once the home buyer is under contract to purchase a house, at that point they'll contact the lender, and then the next phase starts with all the paperwork and inspections and appraisal and all those pieces, which the lender will go over with you at that time. Florida and Georgia home buyers are encouraged to contact us 7 days a week at 904-302-6060, or of course visit us at usdamortgagesource.com. There's tons of great information on the website and on the blog of latest program changes and really all of the basics and the benefits of the USDA program. If you have questions about getting pre-approved or doing your application, please reach out to us. We are, again, available to assist you 7 days a week. Thank you so much. We look forward to speaking with you soon.